Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move and how the Bank Nifty has moved as well as how the Bank Nifty can move on Monday. If you look at this chart, we can see the trend of Bank Nifty had made a new high and from there it is continuously in downtrend. We can see there is a strong support at around 3460. So this is a strong support we can see here, but what we can see before that the range, this is the range where the market is moving as of now, and before also in around 19th January the range made a high. From after crossing this range, it has moved up high and made a new high. So there is a probability that once if this range is break upside, if it breaks upside this, if it cross downside, suppose if it goes below 32,790, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 32,300 also, and if it touches 32,300 then we can expect that it can touch a level of 31. After touching a level of, once it cross a level, it can touch a level of 32,300, and from there we can see that it can touch a level of 31,690. This is a longer view I'm telling you. Or suppose if it bounce back from here with this resistance point, and if it bounce back from here, then we can see that it can touch a level of 33,000 also, and from there 33,250 also, because before that we can see a resistance at around 32,950, and if it cross that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 33,250. And from there we can see a next resistance coming at around 33,900. So if I'll show you 5-day chart of Bank Nifty, we can see there is a downtrend in this. There is a downtrend, but at this point 32,600, if touch this level, there is a probability that it can bounce back from here, or if it crosses this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 32,450 also and below that. But if it goes up from there, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 33,000, and from there it can touch a level of 33,150 and then 33,300, and from there it can touch a level 33,500, and then this gap can be filled, which is at around 33,650. So now if we talk about Nifty, we can see that the Nifty is also in downtrend after making a new high. We can see here that it is a strong resistance point around 14,600. Now the Nifty is trading around 631. Once this level is break downside, suppose, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 14,550, and if that level is break, then we can see that it can touch a level of 500. Suppose if it goes below that level, goes below 14,500, then there is chances it can touch a level 14,400 also, because we can see here that it is continuously in downtrend overall. But if I show you 5-day chart, if I show you 1 month chart, we can see that the Bank Nifty is moving in a particular range. So once this range, because we can see a resistance around 14,530, once this range is break downside, then we can see a level of 450 also. Once 450 is achieved, then we can see 1437 also, and from there we can see it can touch a month's low, which is around 14,150. But if it goes above a level of, but if the Bank Nifty opens above a level of 14,800, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 14,880, and then from there we can see a level of 14,900 also, and we can see that it can touch a level of 15,000 very soon. So but let's see where it opens. Once the Bank Nifty opens above 14,800, then we'll be on the buying side, or if it opens below this level 14,000 5 around 600, below 600, then we can see it can touch a level 14,550 to a level of 14,350 also it can touch. Okay, so let's see. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.